In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into an element in Canva. This simple trick can make your designs look more polished and professional. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either select the project you're working on or start a new design. On the left-hand toolbar, click on Elements. This is where you'll find shapes, graphics, and most importantly for today, frames. Frames are special placeholders that let you drop images into custom shapes. Scroll down or use the search bar to find frames. If you don't see everything, click See All to view the full selection. Now, pick a frame that fits your project and drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners until it's the right size. Next, go back to the left toolbar and click Uploads. Here you can either choose an image you've already uploaded or add a new one by clicking Upload and selecting a file from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, click and drag it into the frame. Canva will automatically snap it into place so it fills the shape perfectly. If you want to adjust the fit, just double-click the image inside the frame. From there, you can reposition or resize it until it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image into an element using frames in Canva. This feature is perfect for creating professional social media graphics, flyers, or presentations with just a few clicks. Keep practicing, experiment with different frames, and you'll be designing like a pro in no time. Happy designing!